Everyone, it is finally Friday and Friday afternoon, and it is a windy Friday so far. With that in mind, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for Willacy and Cameron counties, both until 2 o'clock this afternoon. We are looking at winds to continue from the south to southeast between 25 to 30 miles an hour, with gusts of at least 40 miles an hour, especially in the lower valley, hence the wind advisory. But great kite flying weather. Just watch out for those kite-eating trees like in the Charlie Brown comic strip. All right, here are the winds right now out of the south between 18 to 30 miles an hour sustained. Look at that, 44-mile-per-hour gust in Harlingen, 37 in Brownsville, and 37 in Port Isabel. The wind should start to come down just a bit later on this afternoon, but it will still be a bit breezy later on today into early on this evening. We've been seeing a mix of sun and clouds, still some sunshine from time to time. We should see more sunshine as the day goes on, and it is warm out there. 85 in Weslaco and Edinburgh, 84 in McAllen, 83 in Harlingen, 81 in Raymondville, and 80 degrees in Port Isabel. Right now, 82 for you folks in Brownsville. So here you have it. It's warm, it's windy, a little bit breezy later on today, 87 degrees at 3 p.m. Mostly sunny at 6 p.m., 84 degrees. We're down to 78 degrees and partly cloudy at 9 o'clock this evening. All right, West Lakota's Onion Fest time, and tomorrow it is going to be a hot one, especially at 2 p.m. Look at that. 94 degrees at 2 p.m. tomorrow for Onion Fest in Weslaco with mostly sunny skies, 76 at 10 p.m. If you're outside anywhere in the valley, not just Weslaco, be sure to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water because it will be a hot weekend both Saturday and Sunday. Yes, there is one front draped over Texas, but sadly for us, no cold air behind it. This front's actually going to fizzle out over our neck of the woods. We're just north of us, so we might see a wind shift, but that's about it. The temperatures will stay hot, sadly, here in the valley for tomorrow into Sunday. They're seeing some showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front in Dallas, Fort Worth, down to Austin and Waco, pushing eastward. And look at the spin in the clouds and the snow that is falling in southern Colorado and northern New Mexico on the backside of the low pressure system. Now, in addition, parts of Texas have a risk of severe weather. No severe weather here, at most maybe a shower, but no severe weather expected for our neck of the woods. Some general thunderstorms in Corpus Christi, but look at that. Enhanced risk in the orange bullseye for parts of East Texas and northwest Louisiana for today. North Houston has a slight risk of severe weather that is for this afternoon. So on future track, front continues to push eastward, fizzles out here. It stays breezy for this afternoon for our area and just warm, even hot for the Saturday and Sunday. The fronts that you see just move on by just north of us, so no cold air sadly for us. It'll stay hot into next week. We may have a slight chance of a shower by next Wednesday, and then really for the next 7 days though, those high temperatures will stay in the 90 range most days. Maybe some upper 80s, but otherwise we're back in the 90s. On the water, boating not very good today. Small craft advisory in effect. We have winds from the south at 20 to 30 knots. Bay waters are rough. Seas are 6 to 8 feet. Today, partly sunny, breezy and warm with a high temperature of 87 degrees. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, still a bit breezy with a low temperature of 70. And here's that 7-day forecast. Again, try to stay cool out there. 94 tomorrow, 91 on Sunday, and a little more breezy on Sunday. Mostly sunny skies. The highs next week still in the upper 80s to lower 90s. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Dina.
All right. Thanks so much.